Just relax. Just relax. All right. Yeah. Good. Good. Stand on up. How you feel?
Great.
Walk around, test it out.
So good. My neck was amazing. I don't think I felt relief in years in my neck.
Wow. And been waiting all this time.
I know. Breathe it.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.